Good evening guys! Dati nag-DIY ako ng soft like human hair na eyelash extension. Ngayon, try naman natin ang cluster eyelash extension. Cluster lashes can technically last for 3 weeks if done by a professional artist. However, you should not wear them for the long time as they can damage your natural lashes. Lash experts suggest that you only wear them for at least 1 to 2 days, especially if there's special occasions like wedding or birthdays. Wear cluster lashes for a long period of time at your own risk. Guys, aminin man natin o hindi, having long lashes, whether they are extension or natural, boosts self-confidence. Nakakadagdag kasi sa ganda ng mata ang pagkakaroon ng mahabang lashes. Nasa last part po ng videong to ang mga ginamit ko. So, yan lang guys. Tapos na ako. So, ayan. Ang ganda. Pak. Feel na feel naman. So, ayan. Nag-selfie pa. So, yan lang guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.